So, I mean, there's so many things to talk about spiritual healing, natural healing that you are into. Maybe could you share with our audience an example of a spiritual healing that you would have used from the Quran? A verse, a surah, and for what, etc.
Alhamdulillah. So we were taught, we were taught that even just the Fatiha, even just saying those 7 phrases.
Surah Fatiha.
Surah Fatiha.
The first chapter of the Quran.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And, you know, we were taught that it was the opening and that it actually helps to open up your soul. So even just by saying, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, you could say that over and over again into, in a healing session, into somebody's heart, and that will affect change.
Wow.
And, you know, Iyaka na'budu, Iyaka nasta'in, you know, you can say that over and over again. He alone do we worship, He alone do we ask for help. And that will make change. Just like when, also Tawbah, when you say Astaghfirullah al-Azim, you're saying, I ask for forgiveness from Lord Almighty. And you do that again and again. And then there are stages. Actually, even Ho'oponopono, if you're familiar with, in the Hawaiian tradition, they talk about, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Well, if you break it down, Astaghfirullah al-Azim, and you keep doing that, you're actually traveling through those different layers of being sorry, feeling remorse, please forgive me, asking, you know, subhanahu wa ta'ala for help and forgiveness, allowing the forgiveness to come in, and then being grateful.
Wow.
And saying, I love you. And actually what I have noticed is that a lot of healing out there is really great, but if you don't get to the place where you feel grateful for the event that happened, and the lesson that's being learned and the hidden blessings behind it, you're not really finished with something. So that's why we walk around with these issues and burdens on our back, because we haven't gotten to the place of gratitude.